So today form checkbox, okay? So we'll be doing, you follow a notepad also, okay? I'll be following BS code. If you know BS code also, you use it, okay? Similar like that, okay? It is the only the difference that this is. Can you see the text from?
Can you add dark mode?
Yes, sir.
That is everything. That's good. No, can you not see this one?
See,
Huh?
he is telling too bright.
So you are writing in there.
Light.
Sir, down at dark.
Sir, dark,
down,
sir,
down.
dark.
Quite light.
Default dark.
This one is default. This
No,
one.
down.
Down one, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Seeing, sir.
Yes. From last bench.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see or not that letters?
Yes, sir.
Should I zoom in or not? What?
As clear as day.
Huh? Is it okay?
Yes, sir, it is very much okay.
Just a minute. Just before that, was it okay or not? Just if I do this much.
Yes, sir. it
Yes.
is
Last. See there. Okay. So form will not look over other tag elements. I know we just look only form. So for that, HTML. Then after, let's say head. Inside head, title. Yeah. Yes, title. So today is form checkbox. So only is we're going to look. One checkbox here, form. So for that, what we have to do? Form. We have to use the form element. Yes. So for checkbox, what we can do is, suppose we want, we have an option to select. Here you can include that also, but so that much is not necessary. Informal we need that, yes. But in this, just we are going to see this form part only, form checkbox. So we're not doing that. Therefore, let's try use it. No problem. So see. So there will be the option to find the gender, isn't it? Male or female. When we have two options, but one at a time. That means only there is the condition that we need to select one of them among two. Right? Listen very carefully. At that time, we have to use this not checkbox. I think we should use radio button. I'm sorry. And it's gender. Suppose GENT here.
Sir, can we do this in mobile?
Hey, yes, you can do in mobile. You try this, okay? If you are really interested in programming, then you should try at home also. Just looking, it will not be okay. So input type, yes, type. So input type is our what? Radio. Yes, there are many. See, but we are according to our course, we are only going there. You can put the name here. This maybe you can keep here gender or gen only. Yes. For now, I'm writing gender. So that means gender. This is male. For male, okay. For male, let's write okay male. Yeah, male. Gender name is male, and other things ID also we need it. For now, we're not doing it. This is male. Similarly, so we write the same thing again. I don't talk away. So radio, yes. Name, it's female, yes. So male and female. So F we can write here, and M you can write here. So when you save this button, go to your file, save. So it was already saved in FL session. So file, save as, desktop. This is 9 classes.
Yes.
So we are learning what? Radio button. So we're learning radio button and save it. So when you look at that directory there, Yes, so we are learning radio button. See, this is male, this is female. Yes, this it should check only once at a time. Just a minute, hey, it is being checked. Just a minute, okay. So it is in name, it should be gender for both of them, and values male and female. So we can have ID as also gender. Yes, input type radio. So we can have ID also. It is for another purpose. Okay, that. No, we have to use it for another purpose, but for in our course it is not necessary. It is necessary, it is compulsory ID. Right. But in our course it is not necessary. So if we do this, let's see. Yes, so that means what? We can have only one option, isn't it? You can be male, female, for respecting other. We can have we can write another third party also, but we're not. Just we are trying to we are trying to keep only.
Rather not to say.
We are trying to learn only these things. Okay, that how radio button works. So we're not doing that. Hey, sorry, this is only for the three of.
So there is value as female.
Sorry, it should be other. Other is fine. Okay. Suppose in these three, right? In these multiple sections, if you can choose only one option from there. Look at it there on the screen. Yes. So fine. This is all about. That's radio button. Okay. So you will have only one option among the multiple options. You have to choose only one option. Fine, understood how radio button works. So this is finished. You can, for example, to make it little bit good present. You can write form which type we are reading. Radio button. Yes, type input type radio button. So you can have underline after this by writing. You can include that in. You can include that in. That's just to make it look better. Don't make noise. So this option is for form radio button, and that helps to form radio button. Yeah, in form one of the input type is radio button. So gender we are supposing, we have considered gender here. This is all about gender. Fine. Now next is we have in our list there is checkbox. Yes, suppose a student in a class can read multiple subjects at the same time.
Running.
So at the time what you have, suppose Nepali, science, English, isn't it? But there is one optional subject, social and optional and account, and here we have computer science. Yes, so that other students can read or not, but other compulsory subjects they should read, isn't it? So in compulsory subjects we can have checkbox, but for optional we cannot. We should not. It is not required. I know. For that, here we have written this is form checkbox. In fact, this is form radio button. Okay, form radio button. So for now, it is seen in title. Okay, form radio button here. So here you have seen. We can see that. So after this form radio button, HAD. So form button. So now checkbox. Okay, form checkbox, checkbox. So it's a box, I know, where you can tick mark. So form checkbox, yes. So here, suppose you are going to subjects. We'll put the subjects. Yes. Let's instead of radio, we'll have what? Checkbox. Checkbox. So these things we do not need right now, but in advanced programming we need them. Yes. For now, value is what? For this one, Nepali is compulsory Nepali, yes. So comp Nepali. We are only taking not few subjects, okay? Compulsory English, compulsory mathematics, okay, mathematics. So we'll have to show the value
Optional.
and English. So this is mathematics. We can write here compulsory, no problem. Right? We can write here. So this compulsory mathematics. For now, yes, and here we can have optional subject. One of them is optional mathematics. Okay. So here, sorry, checkbox is checkbox. Fine. So when you look at this, the same form, see, there will be the subject. Okay, we need that just below it. Then we can have break. Yes. So you can make it bold if you think it should be highlighted.
Sir, what is PR slash?
Sorry.
That just means break.
That just means
Oh, you
break.
put a slash and everything.
Yeah. You can
just keep
keep
it
it
or
or
not
not keep it. That's all.
So subject, yes, forms. See here, at that in radio button we were not able to tick these options, isn't it? At the same time, because only we can choose one of them. But here in checkbox it is not like that, right? So that means we can choose multiple. Suppose a student is reading, his or she is not reading that optional mathematics books, I mean subject, then he or she has right to not to choose this one. But these options,
So like
these features
computer
is
and account.
like computer. Yes. So if he or she is reading only is or she is not reading compulsory mathematics, so then we can untick it. Fine. So this is all about what? Checkbox. Form checkbox. Fine. Understood or not?
Yes,
Have you got it? Getting? Yes.
yes, sir.
So now next is we are looking from table, okay, page number 131, checkbox. So now radio finished, checkbox password finished. Now reset. Okay, reset. For that we need username, those values also. Okay, for now we are taking here.
So we cannot only reset this one.
Yes, you can reset this one also. You're right. So see here, this one's also here, right? So let's use that reset button. Simply what we have to do is we should not forget that. So we should not, what we should not forget is that we should not forget the input type. Okay, we write here input type. Yes. So it's reset. Yes. And to make it and to show the value, to see inside the button reset, let's put reset button here. What happens then? Let's put, so reset is coming there. We need that in, suppose down. These values are so there are, see, there are, suppose there are many other parameters, means other things also. We have done much more things here. Okay, for now we are only taking about this subject. We have taken it. There are many things, just to, instead of doing revising or modifying or unticking this, I know what we would like to do. We would like to do the task at once. Okay. So what we have to do this, we should use the reset button, because those field values where somewhere there is mistake, right? But we want to reset it, then you can reset. See, everything is go fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is the function of reset button. Reset input type. That's okay, right? This is also useful tool. This is useful feature. Okay. Similarly, we have after reset, what we have next is submit. Okay. These values we want to submit somewhere to the server. For processing in another backend processing, or let's say our input, whatever we are giving our input. Yes. So we want them to be processed, then we should submit those values to our server computer. Right. So for that, so for example, username, let's write, I know, username. So input, similar, this is text. Yes. And name, let's say this is input type. We have finished the name, username. Yes. ID, you can have another thing, another also, but
can we not write the name?
Huh?
Can we not write the name?
Yes, you can write name, no problem, but we are just making it, you make it difference from others only. Okay.
No, if we don't write the name, it will be incorrect.
Here
Yes, sir.
name only.
No, if we don't write the name,
If you don't write name, it's okay. It's okay. No. What happened? Nothing happens.
Sir, not
The whole name.
Whole name.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then it will be wrong, right?
This one, this much.
no, all are
All.
You
name
just
also.
don't keep the name.
Okay, no problem. Don't keep the name, means we are not going to submit this. That means
Can
what?
not write ID also.
We cannot write. No. That those are not optional. Those are, we need it, right? But here, just to see the front end only, we don't need that. For to process it, we need it, right? We need them. So I'm not skipping that part. Okay, that means okay. Simply what we can do is input, and this is password. Okay, after this, let's have one password. We can put only this password just to look at how it works. This is password. So password type, yes. So these things we are going to submit. So we should not forget that where they are going to be processed. I know. So your input form should have the method and action. So here is method. See, this is additional part. Here suppose method is what, get and post method are there, and action is let's create another page that is in action dot php, or you can php action just this is another page where that is going to be processed. Okay, so let's we are just let's do it by HTML. Okay, this is the another page. Okay, we are making it. Just a minute. What happens this when we do it, we have left our submit button. Okay, so for that our one button is left at the bottom here. Input, type, submit. Yes, so these values will be submitted by this, because of this button. Value, sign up. So sign up, register. We okay. What we okay? Let's say submit. SUB MIT. So everything we did, I mean we wrote here is fine. Then I break subjects.
So that works?
Wait, it will work.
Sorry, I have written some.
So that input type works?
It will work. Why not? See here, it will work, but the processing it will not do, only back part. See how? See here, we are going to give admin. Password is also admin. Yes, we are going to take the subject and compulsory 2 subjects. Why not? These things are correct, eh? These things are right. These things are okay with us. Then we're not going to do this reset. We are going to submit. Okay. So submit. So see here, we are taking our values. Compulsory compulsory Nepali, compulsory English, isn't it? Like that it will go. Because of what we are seeing? Because of that get method. Okay. When you want this to be hidden, I know. When we want to hide this, then we should use post method. Okay, post method. Here when you
So then there was another one.
there will be another one. We have not done that. Wait, we'll do that, no problem. So we'll do that, no problem. Okay, post. Suppose we do it. We have done it. When we do that, just a minute. So see, again admin. So optional mathematics, and we submit. So see here, nothing is seen. Yes, we are just going to action.html. We have not created our action.html, so it is not. So see here, action.html. So see here, if we write something on HTML action, then it will be processed. For example, we are going to create a sample HTML, action.html. New text file. Okay, new text file. Yes, this is our HTML files. We have already defined there. So HTML. Yes. Simply what? This is demo part, okay? Demo only. This is not the real. I mean, but it will work in similar way. Suppose in our body part, what we do here is, suppose body, in our body part. Just a minute. It is in our.
So it will be fine even if you don't keep the head.
Fine if you do not need title, then you cannot keep head. Not necessary. But it is not good practice. Okay, so suppose here we are writing your request has been sent. Suppose see here, right? Your request has been you can your request is okay. Okay, you can write here center then. That means you should maintain that.
Then just keep break.
No, there is another method also. For now we are just trying to see your request center. Just a minute. Okay, as to your request is being processed. Thank you for your participation. Let's say
Thank you for your
participation. We will let you know soon. Hi there. We'll let you know soon. Suppose this is our message we want to display. Fine. Okay. So let's save it in our center is not closed. This is our action.html. Okay. Fine. Suppose this is our code, right? And we are here. Yes. So see, this is what. Thank you for your participation. We'll let you know soon. Yes, that means what? Yes, we can keep it there also. In the middle part, you are saying.